يا حسين بضمايرنا صيحنا بيك آمنا.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين. أما بعد، فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن الكريم: بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ذلك ومن يعظم شعائر الله فإنها من تقوى القلوب. It was a great honor to be present in the seminar in the holy city of Najaf al-Ashraf, the seminar that was organized from the various religious authorities here in Najaf al-Ashraf, and especially the Hoza al-Ulmiya, the religious seminary in Najaf al-Ashraf, regarding the topic of Ziyarat al-Arba'een. The topic that says that Ziyarat al-Arba'een is one of the most important ways of helping the mission and helping Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam, and how the Hoza itself plays an important role in the ziyarah. The way we see people, mu'mineen, believers in all parts of the world, coming from all parts of the world, and people coming here to visit Imam Hussein salamullahi alayhi, and also coming here to serve the visitors of Imam Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam. The way the Iraqiyeen, the people of Iraq, we see them serving them with this tolerating the heat and all the mashakil, the difficulties that are there, apart because you know what, it's outside of the city, there's no electricity, they arrange the electricity and water supplies and everything, and they make it possible for the visitors to walk all these days and without having any fees or without having any money with them or any place to stay or things. Only the visitors, the meals, everything, the way all of us know. Similarly, the Hoza also plays an important role in this ziyarah by organizing different camps to answer the queries of the people, the questions that they have, and other duties that the Hoza, distributing pamphlets and making people aware of the actual meaning of ziyarah, what is the importance of ziyarah, and how should the people be while they are being counted as a visitor of Imam al-Hussein alayhi salatu wasalam. So here was a seminar, and it began with the word of the representative of Ayatollah al-Udma, Sheikh Ishaq al-Fayyad, because it was his representative who came here, and he told regarding the importance of the visitors, the importance of visiting Imam Hussein alayhi salam, especially visiting him on the day of Arba'een, and the importance of his visitors, and especially the importance of those who provide service to the visitors, whether it be some physical service like providing them with meal and a place to stay and everything, or be some spiritual services that the Hoza provides. And then obviously it was the last words were of the mutawalli of the holy shrine of Mawla Abul Fadl Abbas alayhi salatu wassalam, Samahat Syed Ahmed al-Safi. And he obviously with his words, he made us know that this ziyarah is one of the symbols of mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The way it's present in the ayah that I recited in the beginning, that it's one of the slogans, and we need to honor these slogans, the slogans that remind us of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So similarly, we know that Arba'een is one of the biggest slogans and one of the biggest symbols that remind us of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We ask Allah azza wa jal to bless us with this ziyarah, and also to count us within the servants of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, those who serve the visitors of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. And in the end, we ask Allah azza wa jal to hasten the reappearance of our last Imam, Imam al-Mahdi al-Muntadhar, ajjalallahu ta'ala farajahu al-sharif. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.